To people who are. So thank you so much for joining today, and we're going to be talking about pretending. And this topic has been voted by those who are not here on the call. Thank you, people, for voting, irrespective of whether you're there on the call or not. Who? So the point is pretending to be unaware. How many of you do that? Like, oh, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं चला. I don't know. Really, I don't know. I don't know. How many people do that?
I just corrected it while you asked me क्या हुआ, and I was saying कि हाँ मुझे नहीं पता मुझे क्यों बुलाया, मुझे नहीं पता.
I know,
I'm like,
right?
okay, let's correct it.
I'm a piece of not like I wouldn't call it shit or crap or whatever. I don't know what they see in me that I don't see in me. Yeah. So who are you pretending to be unaware for? Can I ask you that question instead?
Isn't it this highest form of manipulation?
Who are you manipulating then? I would ask. And who are you manipulating yourself for? Again, the same question. Who are you pretending to be unaware for? What does it give you when you're doing that with people? Do you want to be like them? Do you want to be liked by them? Because they cannot take your potency for who you are and the capacities you have. So you're like, mere ko kuch nahi pata. I just don't know. You know, how many actors have you seen who say, it just happened to me. I didn't want to act like bullshit. Bullshit, right? You just don't do things because हाँ करके देख लेते हैं, you know. I mean, कभी कभी होता है करके देख लेते हैं, but एक थोड़ा सा तो resonate करेगा कि नहीं करेगा. So the whole idea is to break your habit of not knowing what you know. And when you get into access, the bottom line says empowering you to know that you know. So how many of you are really working hard at not knowing or not acknowledging your knowing? So that you can continuously be pretending that you're unaware. And that unawareness really gives you some kind of comfort or solace that, okay, I'm like everyone else. How can I be so all knowing, right? I mean, how could I know so much? And to claim it that, oh, I'm so good, or I'm so psychic, or I'm so intuitive, or I'm so aware. What does that make you feel when you say, I know so much, I'm so aware? क्या लगता है कि जब आप ये बोलते हो अपने आप को? Anyone? Can you claim it, first of all? Are you ready to claim it? And how many times have you ever pretended to not know when you actually do? Have you done that ever consciously? Have you done it? Like,
Yes.
Sometimes. I
we
have
do
done
it,
it.
Anjali,
Yeah.
because there are times when you know who has done something wrong, and if a third person comes and asks you, do you know? You'll be like, no, I don't know. We often hide that because you're hiding it for someone, from someone, so that you don't want to get involved in it. Or what is your excuse for pretending?
Don't want to look smarter than others.
And what is that? What is stopping you from looking smarter than others? Because you don't want to hurt people that they look so dumb.
To fit in is easier than to stand out.
That's true, exactly.
So much, Rona. Yeah, to fit in is easier, right? And how much have you mutilated and bent your bodies also to fit in where you don't fit in, to adjust in a space where you actually are not. You're not never going to adjust. Does that make you feel? Does that give you a sense of pride that, oh, I bent myself and I mutilated myself so much that I can fit in? A lot of people like to do that. Matlab, especially, they'll try to fit in small dresses, or they'll try to fit in small cars, or they'll try to fit in, अरे यहाँ से मैं निकल जाऊंगी, and then they're like, okay, they just want to look, pretend that they don't know how their body type is. So how many of you have acted clueless to stay out of trouble to avoid judgment? Or maybe yes, fit in. How many of you done that? Clueless?
Yeah, Kavita, earlier I always used to speak up, and then people started telling me, why is yours the only voice? The other people also, who know, and you're always piping up. So you always, end up being the one who's stirring trouble. or the
That-
one who's,
So staying out of trouble, right? If I'm going to
you
say,
know, no, I always used to do, and I used to say, well, I don't feel it's right. So what the hell? Of course I'll speak up. But
absolutely.
over the
Yeah.
years, I figured to speak where I think it'll make a difference. Because a
That's
lot of time it doesn't make a difference. So अपना सर खपाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है.
no. So
That's what I've.
my point is, have you allowed yourself to acknowledge? Have you asked this question that what have you decided that will happen if you actually acknowledge what you know? What will happen if you first is to let yourself know that I know, and then
Yeah, I know. I'm comfortable with that. I
so a
know
lot of
I'm
people are not
comfortable.
comfortable. They're not even there on the first step because they don't.
Yeah.
They probably pretending so that they can safeguard themselves or maybe someone else. So who or what are you protecting by being unaware?
Yeah.
You know, so if you suppose you know that you're aware and you speak up at forums and people don't like it, so you're going to be protecting yourself. But there could be places where if you speak up, there's somebody who will not look too good, you're probably protecting them. And so you're shutting yourself down.
No, for me, it's become a conscious choice now. Where I feel my saying it is going to matter, it's going to help things, I say it. Otherwise, I choose to keep quiet. No sense in breaking my head.
Yeah.
That is the way I look at it. I
What
know
about
I'm aware. I know what the situation is. And I've done it so many times. So I feel, abhi kya bhai, kya? कोई सामने सुनने वाला नहीं है. No sense in breaking your head. Other people, or everyone senses the same thing. Let somebody else talk.
yeah.
So that is my take on it.
So how many over here
And
haven't?
sometimes I choose to be unaware while being aware just to find out what the real situation is.
That's a good one because a lot of people,
Yeah.
if you I see, as long as you're conscious about it and you're manipulating other people to give you more information, that's fine. You're at least aware of
Yeah,
it.
just keep
Without-
quiet and listen. Just keep quiet and keep listening to what everyone's saying.
So
You don't
what-
have to talk all the time.
No, we don't have to. But what I'm
Yeah.
talking about is that where are we pretending that we don't know?
No
A lot
pretense.
of people are pretending that they don't know and they don't want to get involved. They don't want to come across as so intimidating to other people that, oh my God, this woman, because, it is a possibility in some lifetime you were killed because you were a witch and you knew way ahead of your time and people couldn't take it. And so they killed you. They pelted stones at you. They threw you out or burnt you alive or they cut they slit your throat. So you don't want to, then not saying is not the thing, but then you kind of shut yourself down with your psychic powers and your awareness. So it's easier
Basically, self-protection and protection of somebody else makes you behave like that.
that. So can I run a clearing? Ek second. Yeah. Anjali is saying, yeah, show off. Yeah, Jyoti is saying, yes, me. Yeah, showing off. You don't want to show off. That's one way of hiding, right? Point is, what is wrong in showing off or flaunting? What if there was nothing wrong? People are still going to judge you. Either they're going to judge you, oh, so stupid of her, or they're going to judge you, oh, she thinks too much of herself. Either ways, they're going to judge you. So which one is a better judgment to take? You बेचारी गरीब है या बेचारी अमीर है? बेचारी तो नहीं होता है, बेचारी अमीर नहीं होता है, अमीर बेचारा नहीं होता है. But tell me, Miss Know It All, yes, Lizona, Miss Sure, ये अपने आप को ज़्यादा समझती है. Yeah, and why not? Not to be happy, so being unaware. So what if you can be happy and aware rather than pretending that you're so unhappy by being unaware? So there's this clearing that I would want to do. What stupidity are you using to pretend you are unaware that you're truly not? Can you let that go now? What stupidity are you using to pretend you are unaware that you're truly not? What is punishing yourself so unhappy? So what is the joy in punishing yourself? Or at what time were you told that you have to punish yourself? And every karma that you're still living in this reality that has been telling you that you need to punish yourself because you ruined something in the past. Can you let that go now? Are you willing to let it go? The question is that. Whatever that you're aware of, maybe you're not a good person, maybe you were really, really bad person, but you were there at some point, at some other lifetime, another space. Can you let that be? Let that go. And even in this life, if somebody tells you you're not good, literally all those people who are judging you for that are, we judge others for who we are. Remember that? So how many people are you making so relevant in your life who are irrelevant? They could be your close people also. I'm not saying that they have to be distant at a distance. Would it really matter, Jyoti, if I say, oh, how stupid, how unaware you are, how, you need to punish yourself? Would you really punish yourself? No, I don't think so. People who don't matter, they don't matter. So how many people have you given that sheer importance, or you put them on a pedestal that, okay, this designation has to be on a pedestal or whatever that is? Can you let that go? So how many of you actually keep saying that I don't understand? What could be the cost of pretending that, you keep saying I don't understand about money, but you're running the budget and you're a homemaker and you're running your household like a CEO, like nobody else could. And you're so good at money matters, but you've never really given yourself a credit for that, because nobody else saw that and you didn't see it, and then so it makes it easy for you to keep pretending, and pretense becomes more valuable than knowing. So what are you avoiding by not being aware, and what are you defending by not being aware? Want suggestions to make good and smart choices. What, as per you, are smart choices? And what is good? Whatever you choose is good, right? Good as a comparative from other people. Smart as in comparative from other people. Yeah, not harming yourself. So any choice is a good choice that works for you. Where are you comparing yourself with other people? What is the joy of comparing yourself with other people? Comparison is the thief of joy. I keep repeating myself. Comparison is the thief of joy. If I start comparing myself with Vandana or Sarita or whoever, that's unfair to them. First of all, it's unfair to me as well. I know that when we were growing up, our parents did it all the time, right? Uski beti ko dekho, uske bete ko dekho, whatever. And they're not us, we are not them. But then what we just learned was how to prove it to the world that we are good. And in that proving, we've already bought the idea that we are terrible, we are not good. Unharmed and still getting what I want. Yeah, but where have you decided that your choices are going to harm you or other people? When you're going to choose for you, you are going to get what you want, right? I do that all the time. But if you have a doubt parallelly that, okay, I'm choosing this, and then you throw in a doubt into this universe, it's not going to match. You are a magical machine. Did you know that? You all. So parallelly, what your thoughts, your emotions, your feelings, everything, what you're putting out into the world is creating a frequency, is creating that vibration, and that is going out into the world, which comes back to you. And that's what the universe is offering. Universe is listening to you all the time. But are you willing to be present with it and communicate? Not just one way, thing that only the universe is listening. What way it is not a one-way thing, one-way communication. कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब ये होता है ना कि दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं, तो तुम सिर्फ उनको सुना ही जा रहे हो, सुन तो रहे नहीं हो. So if you know your choices are currently harming you, then stop it. What have you decided that you have to hurt and punish yourself so that you can get what you desire to get, which you'll never get? It's an interesting point of view, right? Or use the tool, everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. Do it so many times that you're out of this crap that is going on in the head. Can you do interesting point of view? I have this point of view that I don't know. How often are you scared of your own choices? मतलब किसी को आप खाने पे लेके जा रहे हो, कोई इंसान आपके मतलब मिलने आया है and you think let's go to a new restaurant and that turns out really bad. What or how often do you say that, oh, I'm so stupid, I should not have chosen this? I don't know, I'm so bad at it. It comes a very it's an autopilot that how you start accusing yourself कि मैंने गलती कर दी, गलत जगह पे ले आए. Tried and tested पे ही जाना चाहिए था. I don't know what I went through. You know, do you do that? Yes, it's my mistake. What if it's not? What if nothing in your life is a mistake? What if all your disappointments actually, or disappointments, rejections, lead you to a point where you are actually supposed to go? Provided you don't feel so dejected that you can't really stand up or come out of it. You don't have to go in that direction. It is an interesting point of view. Mistake, there is no mistake. Nature does not make mistakes. It doesn't do mistakes. You are a part of that nature. So at least in your world, can you stop keep constantly telling yourself that I'm such a mistake? I was born a mistake. I laughed it off because I do it as a, if I would have to do a stand-up comedy, I would go and stand and tell people, you know, I was such a mistake. It was, I'm like an accident child. 18 साल के बाद मुझे क्या सोच के पैदा किया होगा? So I mean, I think ये तो गलती हुई होगी. My mom, she just removed her what do you say, copper tea. She thought she's menopausing. It was me. Hello. I was the menopause of her life, man. So what if nothing is a mistake? Yeah. So I now use it to my advantage. All your galtis that you think are galtis or your mistakes, can you please use it to your advantage and not disadvantage? If somebody says that, oh, you're too much, you're like, right, isn't it? I was also thinking I'm too much and I like it that way. Can you, rather than going into judgment of you, I'm only a mistake, right? Can you take it as a pride badge instead of making yourself so wrong still? So all I do is, because that's your interesting point of view, Jyoti, you're not willing to acknowledge, because if you constantly keep telling yourself that I'm a mistake, whatever you're going to do is going to be a mistake. First of all, erase that as a thought. And who does it even belong to? Because you're not even inching towards that direction. That what are you aware of that you're not willing to claim? What is it? What are you, so where are you shying away from? You just claiming I'm wrong, I'm wrong, I'm wrong. What I'm just kind of trying to ask you, would you like to change that perspective? And flip the coin and see, okay, what could be the right thing about you? What's right about you that you've not acknowledged yet? There has to be something, right? Because sides of the two coin, right? Wrong, right, good, bad. So can you just flip it and see, okay, what is this? What can I do with this? Okay, constantly बार-बार खुद को berate करना, judge करना, गलत बनाना, is that making you happy? No, right? I'm sure it doesn't make anyone happy. And then you will have people around you, because that's the energy that you're sending out, and people around you will also keep pinging and poking you over there where what you're thinking. If you pod and pocked it, if you kind of popped it, you who don't have a point of view, maybe people around you will stop pinpointing or, you know, pinning you down or picking fingers or at you, pointing fingers at you. Can you stop that? You are telling people how to treat you. Where are you playing small, people? Would anyone else want to be participative Where are you playing small in your life? Money, relationship, body, business, where? So where are you relying on other people where you already have an answer कि कोई बता दे बस मुझे, और वो as if वो बता देगा तो तुम चुप होके बैठ जाओगे? Anyone? Nobody wants to talk about it? Hi Priyanka.
Hi.
So कहाँ पे हम छोटा खेल रहे हैं गेम?
Money and relationship.
Yeah, exactly, right? वही तो बोल रही हूँ, money कहाँ, so where, I mean, so where are you still waiting for approvals? Where are you still waiting for answers that people can give you? And then you're like, हाँ मुझे पहले से ही पता था. How often do you get into that zone?
I would say, it's like we keep going to that zone and then we keep reminding ourselves that, it's like push and pull thing going on.
हाँ, it is. Because क्या होता है, उनको हम validate कर देते हैं, देखो इनको ज्यादा पता है, जबकि पता हमें पहले से ही था वो चीज का.
Exactly.
तो क्या मजा आ रहा है उसमें? छोटा खेलने में क्या मजा आ रहा है? क्योंकि शायद लाइफ में एक कुछ, आई वुड नॉट लेबल इट एज गलती, बट एक ऐसा स्टेप ले लिया दैट वो उसका जो आउटकम है वैसा नहीं हुआ जो हमने सोचा था. लाइक शादी पकड़ते हैं, ठीक है, शादी कर तो ली हमने, अब वो टिकी नहीं, तुम्हारी गलती हो गई ना वो तो. जितनों की नहीं टिकी है वो बता दें प्लीज यहाँ पे जो भी है. हाँ, या जो टिका रहे हैं जैसे भी करके. और मान लो तुमने अगर लव मैरिज कर लिया तो लग गई तुम्हारी कि अरे ये तो मेरा ही चॉइस था. Didn't turn out good, right? It was so bad.
Yeah,
And you
then you feel sorry about it.
totally.
Why? क्यों? मतलब क्या दिखा?
So now because you made one so-called mistake, which is not actually a mistake, it is also getting you to all those areas of your life because they are being a tough teacher. Okay, whoever you were with, you are with, they're teaching you something still. You're learning something, you're growing, you're outgrowing. And then you're like saying, bye, I don't want to be here, and then moving out or whatever that is, right? लोग नहीं, तुम अपने आप को जीने नहीं देते हो ज्योति. So लोग तो जीने देंगे, तुम खुद जीना नहीं चाहते हो. It's not about people here. It's about you with you. When you are there, तुम्हारे को दूसरों की जरूरत ही नहीं है. You're too hard on yourself, right? So that one mistake, and I'm talking about myself. Let me not even involve other people. When I went through that first down or a failure of a marriage, I was wrong. I had no right to stand up and say anything to anyone because I was so wrong. When I got married again, I had students and people coming and telling me, you've done such a great thing. Have I? Really? Is marriage such a great thing? Maybe not. But in their eyes, they like tikana ya marriage ko long term खींचना is the only thing, right? Now you're right. Now what you say, we'll still listen to you. But before, आपको क्या पता, आपकी तो खुद ही शादी नहीं चली. How can you talk about relationship? Do you judge people on that? So do you judge yourself for that? We are very capable of guiding other people. It doesn't matter if you've not been able to apply it on yourself, but you are really considerate about other people and you can give them what they are asking for, or like guidance or anything. But what fun would it be if you start applying it on yourself and your life and changing your life so that you don't even have to convince people, you will just be such an inspiration for other people. Because what do you know here that no one else knows? But your first thought would be, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. It's not possible. Your first thought would be that everyone knows everything and I don't know nothing. That is where you are. That's your pretense. That's your like, what do you say? You're in, what do you, Vandana? Hey, what do you say? Cover? A cover that you're protecting yourself from?
Yeah.
I would like to.
Armor. Like an armor. Who said
Your
that?
camouflage.
Or camouflage. Yeah. So that people should not know I know too much. तो कैसे वो कितनी सारी स्टोरी सुनी है कि भगवान आए धरती पे तो वो नहीं, या राजा बन के जो है वो प्रजा बन के जाते हैं जानने के लिए, तो वो छुपा के जा रहे हैं, तो तुम भी वो अपने खुफियागिरी कर रहे हो. Can you fork that and let yourself just be? What you are not just wrong. You are just aware.
Like a disguise, you're saying?
Disguise. Yeah, that's a disguise. So we are pretending. See, pretense is more like a disguise. That's what we're doing with people. We do not wish to trespass or intimidate them. And wherever you decided that you being too much is going to intimidate people, please let that go. And stop yourself from accusing yourself that you're wrong. What if you're not wrong? What if you can simply be aware of what's going on the planet? So can you keep practicing? Who does it belong to instead? And return those thoughts wherever it's coming from. It's not yours. Your feelings, your sensations, your
I would like to
assumptions.
add something here, Kavita.
Yes, Priyanka.
Yeah. So, so as you're saying, there are also people who keep poking you down.
Yes, they do.
They, as the moment you shine, you grow, you're continuing growing. There are the people around us. They just
Where are
poke
you
you.
inviting people so that तुम इतने बड़े ना हो जाओ कि so you know how we have controls, checks and measures that if I'm too much, just मेरी हवा निकाल देना या pull me down. Because in some lifetime, when you were told you're too much, your explants, you've been everywhere you've implanted or explanted that you're being too much, and then that explant will start vibrating, and you're like, oh, I'm so scared, I can't go beyond this. So everywhere you're implanted and explanted that you have to stop pretending that you don't know anything, and then maybe they know more and they pull you down, and you let yourself be pulled down. What do you love about that? Everywhere you have appointed them, given that job, that they should pull you down. कि तुम
Talking
हवा में
about
मत
that.
उड़ो. हाँ, हवा में
Yeah.
मत उड़ो. उड़ना नहीं ठीक है. And all those people that हम जिनकी page को follow करते हैं, हम जो लोगों को follow करते हैं, have you seen? They've always chosen something completely different what people were saying कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए और वो कर लेते हैं. हमें क्यों अच्छा लगता है उनके pages को follow करना? Because they are different. And because they realize too early in life that they are different and there is nothing wrong in being different. मैं तो ऐसे ही हूँ, take it or leave it, right?
Right.
And we're like, God, they're too much, but you are going on to their page and you're still looking at them.
We, just keep admiring them. Ki, wow, even I would like to have
वो
that.
I would like to, but and then you blame it on people कि इनकी वजह से नहीं कर पा रही, वरना तो मैं कर लेती.
True.
But वो लोग हम नहीं रखे ना अपने space में, because कहीं ना कहीं what is the gift or what is it that they are delivering that you are still holding on to them in your life? कुछ तो है. क्या है वो? If you could get to the bottom of that. So could you just connect with your body and instead ask your body, what have I have been aware of that I have been pretending that I'm not aware of? So connect to your body and ask your body will tell you.
Where I'm still holding on to them.
You are holding on to them. That's why they're there.
No,
in your
like the method you just told, like connect your body and ask where I'm still
just
holding
ask your
on to them.
body, show me what am I aware of that I've been pretending I'm not aware of. बॉडी को तो पता है, वो तो लेके जा रही है तुमको, तुम्हें जहाँ जाना चाहते हो, फिर तुम लोगों की बातों में आ जाते हो, फिर तुम अपने आप की हवा निकाल देते हो. That's what you're doing, right?
True.
तो क्या मजा आ रहा है हवा निकालने में?
कोई मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
So then ask, who am I mimicking? Am I mimicking one of my parents or many people, or what am I mimicking here? Ask, there is another tool. Is this mine, someone else, or something else? Who am I being here? बहुत लोग जो है वो प्रिटेंड करते हैं कि वो अनअवेयर हैं ताकि वो अपने फैमिली को मैच कर लें, कल्चर को मैच कर ले, जेंडर रोल्स को मैच कर ले, एथनिसिटी को मैच कर ले. You want, we are so good. And that, what if I tell you that's your strength, that is your potency, कि तुम अपने आप को camouflage कर लेते हो. You have the capacity of a chameleon. It's not easy. Not everyone can do it. Let me tell you that. It requires a lot of force. You're using against you.
चाय बना दूं क्या?
नहीं, अभी नहीं पीनी, sorry. बाद में पियेंगे. Thank you Kritika for the chai. Sorry.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay. ये तो आ जाता है, शाम का टाइम है, चाय वाय तो होती रहेगी, you know. उधर वंदना पी भी रही है चाय कॉफी जो भी है. I'm actually, you know, my body can't take milk anymore, so no more chai for me. Oh, we have Rukhsana also having
Oh, I
chai.
was creating some fun.
Chai, look, in next we're
Glad
going to do
everybody
chai
is
पे
happy.
चर्चा.
smiling.
Okay, chai coffee पे चर्चा करेंगे हम. No, don't be sorry. That's exactly what I'm saying. What if you didn't have to be sorry? It is not about you are. That's how we start pretending. What if you don't have to be sorry for nothing in your life? It's about that kind of presence we are asking for. कि खुद के साथ, can you be so present that you're absolutely vulnerable with yourself? Long back, I heard it somewhere. If you're kind to yourself, no force in the world can harm you. But didn't get it. Okay, समझ ही नहीं आया क्योंकि कोई kind नहीं था. तुमने kindness देखी नहीं दुनिया में, इसलिए you never applied it to yourself. So if you could be kind, this is kindness. अभी हम 8:30 बजे I'm going to be doing this Instagram live. Why? It's the art of setting boundaries, right? What if you know that, okay, this is being kind to yourself. You're saying yes to yourself. It's not about other people that you constantly keep saying yes to them. Sometimes saying a no is gaining your power back. That you don't have to pretend. How often then जब नहीं जाना है किसी के यहाँ पार्टी में, तो तुम्हें बीमार होने का नाटक करना पड़ता है. You're pretending all the time, aren't you? क्योंकि उसे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. बीमार है तो ठीक है, नहीं आई है, समझ में आता है. Not that I don't like you, so I don't want to come to your place. How dishonest are we with ourselves? Is that kind to you? Because तुम्हारे दिमाग में तो गोल गोल घूमता रहेगा, right? So what if we did not have to play any, those kind of roles that in order to please people? So what role are you playing when you pretend not to know? Are you playing a role there? माँ जो है बच्चे से बोलती है बेटा पता नहीं, पता ऐसे ही है पापा तो, or whatever, जिसका जो हो, I have no idea. But this is how we do that, right? What will okay, so what will change if you stop pretending? अगर तुम स्पेड को स्पेड बोलोगे और प्रिटेंड करना बंद कर दोगे, तुम बेवकूफ हो या तुम्हें समझ ही नहीं आती है, लाइक ज्योति जस्ट सेड मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आई. तो अगर समझने के लिए क्या करना है, इफ यू कैन स्टार्ट आस्किंग दैट एज अ क्वेश्चन इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग ballpark statement, oh, I don't understand this, I don't know, I don't get this, I don't know. Okay, what will happen if you stop pretending? बताएं. एंड मैंने ही देखा है कि जब हम बार्स करते हैं ना,
We'll
वो
start out creating people then.
एग्जैक्टली वही तो नहीं करना चाहते हम. घबराते हैं कि उनके आगे निकल गए तो उनको बुरा ना लग जाए. कैन यू स्टॉप बीइंग दैट फिफ्थ एलिमेंट? जब हम बार्स करते हैं, और
Yes,
आज तो मतलब
totally.
ऐसा तगड़ा बार सेशन हुआ है, मैं पता नहीं कितने गोते खा के आई हूँ. इट्स सो अमेजिंग एंड रिजुविनेटिंग. वो सारे वॉल्स एज इफ टूट के बिखर रहे होते हैं कि तुम्हें वो सब बंधन जो तुमने अपने आप को जजमेंट से बांध के रखा है, वो जरूरत ही नहीं है यार. Because choice creates awareness. That's what Gary keeps talking about, right? And see, I'm not making you wrong अगर तुम pretend करते हो कि तुम्हारे काम आ रहा है pretense, continue. तुम pretend करते हो मैं बेचारी हूँ, मैं या बेचारा हूँ, मेरे को कोई नौकरी नहीं है, छोकरी नहीं है, whatever, like partner नहीं है. You feel like a बेचारा. Are you pretending to be a बेचारा? Are you a बेचारा? Nobody is a बेचारा, right? You're not a victim. See, pretending is a choice you're making. And awareness requires continuous choosing again and again and again and again without making yourself wrong that, oh, I chose that and it didn't work out. What if you could just keep choosing over and over and over again? Trust me, swear to God, when I had learned access bars the first time, I did not get anything. Just samajh nahi aaya because I was coming from a different modality, right? Then I was told to choose it again. अगर मुझे बोला नहीं जाता या किसी ने सजेशन नहीं दिया होता, एक बारी और करके देख ले, नहीं आया तो छोड़ ही देना. And अगर वो नहीं मैंने चांस लिया होता, I wouldn't be sitting here. I wouldn't be sitting here because I would have not made that choice, made it wrong. ये तो बेकार है, कुछ समझ नहीं आता है. Maybe later on come back to it जब इतनी हवा और increase होती है और लोग फिर बोल रहे होते. That's what, right? But what if you're not wrong? एक बारी में नहीं समझ में आया doesn't make you dumb. What if you do feel like a victim? Yeah, so can you pocket for that? Who does that belong to? So you have to ask truth, am I a victim here? Or, you know, if you are a victim, you are actually the one who has the power to victimize other people and control them. हम बेचारा बन के इसलिए चलते हैं, हम लोगों को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. Yes, Vandana.
Kavita, so many times there are situations where we genuinely don't know what to do. We really feel I don't know what to do.
Okay, can you ask a question rather than going to that conclusion? My only question, okay, what is it that I can do here? Do I have to do anything? Sometimes कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना. You have to let things be sometimes. So everywhere you think that you have to do only. Can you talk about that?
Right.
And because you don't know, you pretend that, oh my God, I'm so unaware, I need to ask somebody. I'm not saying asking somebody is a wrong thing. I am not saying that, but not at the cost of making yourself lesser or pretending that you don't know. I discuss a lot with Anjala. She's probably here or not here, I don't know. Yeah, IJ is here. So I discuss a lot with Anjala and I was like, okay, this is what's coming. You know, sometimes you talk to a buddy.
Yeah.
What are you getting? Are you getting something else? Or, you know, what is it? What can I do? And then you get your own clarity the minute you kind of start talking, rather than saying, पता ही नहीं क्या हो रहा है जी, life ही ऐसी है. I don't know चल रहा है हमारी life में अभी.
Right. I use that a lot. I mean, it is
I
something.
know, you're not the
take
only one.
access.
You're the only one who's admitting it. There are many others.
I have become aware of, otherwise every sentence would be, I don't know why he said, I don't know. Everything was, I don't know.
That.
It was
No,
just like,
you have to consciously break that pretend.
yeah.
And yes, Gitika, after Vandana, you can ask a question.
No, I'm done, basically.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
I shouldn't make myself wrong for it, but just be aware. And everywhere I feel I don't know, just ask universe.
My
show
point
me
is, you
the-
don't know yet. It's not that you don't know at all or ever. Right now, I don't have an answer to it. And it's not about an answer. You'll ask questions, you'll get the awareness. But currently, in this moment, I don't get it.
So what can I know here? What can I be here? What can
Absolutely. What is this? What can I do with this? Can I change it? If so, nothing has to be changed, okay, fine. Ask, okay, what else is possible?
what
Simple.
can I be or do here? What else is
Completely. Or
Okay.
maybe what else is possible I haven't yet considered.
right?
Yeah.
What is it that I'm not seeing over here?
What is it that I'm not willing to see here?
Willing to see here. Yes.
What am I avoiding, defending? What am I proving?
Right, right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Gitika? Are you there?
Hi,
Yeah.
hi, Kavita.
Hi.
Kavita, I actually wanted to ask that I have this online page, and before I used to get like a lot of clients. Now I get clients which are premium clients, but before I used to get like all type of clients. And now suddenly, when I'm running the ad or something, like it's very slow. So what question I can ask here? Like I keep comparing myself to the old, like, you know,
So
before
everywhere
100
I
clients
just,
used to come.
so everywhere I got overwhelmed or you know, I have blocked the flow of those clients, and I'm limiting myself and not reaching out to others. And what else is possible? So कभी-कभी हम खुद ही देख के खुद ही बोल देते हो यार इतने आ रहे हैं, and then थक. That's when you start making yourself lesser.
And now I'm comparing myself to that.
So everywhere so you pretended कि नहीं मेरे पास कहाँ इतने आ सकते हैं. अब तो वो तुमने ही अपने को ब्लॉक कर मतलब वो लोगों को कम कर दिया है. Okay, so what will it take for high premium clients to start showing up with ease? And everywhere I stopped myself from receiving them, just talking about that. It's as simple as that. Or just ask your page, what change do you require that we can have more people flow in?
Right.
What is your page asking you for? You could be that. Like I've been asking my page constantly. So I keep coming up with something on and off, whatever and all. I was like, okay, maybe it's time to rebrand. Maybe it's time to upgrade or change or do something different and unique. Okay, let's do it. So कहीं पे थोड़ा investment जाएगा, कुछ होगा. अच्छा चलो ये करके देखते हैं. तो what fun can I have with my page now? What kind of people would I like to
Yeah,
have?
this question I have been asking, and there are some things that are changing. Definitely, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
I like
now
this
is it possible that you don't like all type of clients, you like specific type of clients? क्या होता है मेरे पास पहले लोग आते थे negotiate करने के लिए. So I don't like those kind of clients. You either give me or you don't bother me, right? So that is the energy that you have to play with. That okay, now maybe I have, what do I require now? Okay, high paying clients. You know, page universe. Can I have high paying clients now? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, got
And-
it. Thank you.
Yeah. So great. So yeah. So any question?
Just a reminder to all of us, we are starting our book with Kavita ma'am.
Yeah. we are
Dono.
Money work.
Not
Yeah.
only the
How to become money workbook.
how
is
to
Tuesday.
become money. We are starting advanced also how to become money. So
That is
anyone who has done foundation can join both.
Thank you, Sandeep.
हाँ, जिसने फाउंडेशन किया वो दोनों ज्वाइन कर सकता है,
Yes.
राइट?
Yes. नहीं. Wait.
हाँ,
नहीं,
जिन्होंने फाउंडेशन नहीं किया जल्दी से कर लो.
हाँ, जिसने फाउंडेशन किया है वो एडवांस ज्वाइन कर सकता है और एक बारी बेसिक वर्कबुक करी होनी चाहिए. एडवांस के प्रीरेक्विजिट्स थोड़े से ज्यादा हैं, बट बेसिक में कोई भी कर सकता है. whether they've done bars or not also is not a prereq for that. So before we kind of
more information on advance money. I have done foundation. All I'm
you've done basic money workbook, Gitika?
I have done 100 times.
Wonderful. Yes, then you qualify for advanced money workbook. Because
Yeah, I have actually done advance also twice, but because I just get a calling, so I'm asking for more information. So can you please give more information?
there
Like
you're there in
the payment.
KKK group, right? I'll pass on all the written information.
Oh yes, I'll check it
I will
out.
give
Thank
you.
you.
Yes. And so yeah, Anjula is saying we should announce our Greh Chakra workshop also. That's on 24th. That's non-access. We're making very clear. It's a 4-hour thing that we talk about grahas and change the vibration of the planets. That's what we kind of.
Kavita, I have one more question. Can I
Yes,
ask? one?
Gitika, please ask. Yes.
So sorry to interrupt you. Yeah. So like this happens with me because I have done Access and lot of such Access courses, and then lot of judgment points up for other modalities because I have also done other modalities, and through these modalities I came into Access.
Yeah.
After doing Access, like a lot of stuff got into my head, and then I'm not able to sell those things.
No,
And-
so good question. Very good question, Gitika, because I was there at a point and it has taken me 12 years, so I can imagine. Because when I got into Access, Access is so practical, Access is so flowing, Access is beautiful, Access is phenomenal. My life changed, my entire world changed, my money reality changed, body reality changed, relationship changed. Now, when any other modality comes, I'm so cute. I used to start judging that other modality. These are all lesser modalities. I'm paying so much for Access. I must be doing something better. Well, the fact is the change that you get from Access is huge, right? Having said that, there are other modalities which are equally amazing. And the way they are, I mean, however they are, yes, there are
Can
some
I?
lot of restrictions in that, limitations in that. So yes, Anjana, talk about it.
Okay, so hi everybody. Access always says that consciousness includes everything and judges nothing.
Yeah.
So what if we operate from that with other modalities also, that they can also contributive and just be in the question, what can they
And-
contribute
yeah.
and add to our lives?
And Gitika, what if हर एक की capacity नहीं है access चबाने की, तो आप उनको वो दो जो वो चबा सकते हैं और खा सकते हैं. तो you know, not everyone is ready for getting into access immediately, right? We still are not even 1% of the entire world's population in access. So you know that okay, पहले तो spirituality में लोग कम हैं, उसके ऊपर फिर access का एक अलग से ocean है जो है. So you need to see that this is not working for them. What can work for them? Maybe a hypnotherapy session could work for them. Maybe a shamanic journey or whatever processes that you've done. You just play around and see how it works. After getting to know them कि उनका issue क्या है, or just combine and club and say now I'm doing this and I'm doing this and I'm curating a program for you.
The different thing is that they are all ready to pay me. It
Then-
has come by me. So I wanted to ask a question. What question I can ask for, like
So
me?
What
I mean,
fun can I have with playing with my modalities instead of making only one very significant?
yeah.
And
what
where am I
fun will-
resisting that money that could come from other modalities too?
Got it. Yeah, right, I can ask.
So
Thank you.
final clearing for people, what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracles, mysteries, possibilities, power, potency, and profitability can you be to never pretend to be unaware again for all eternity? Everything that is, can you let that go, not destroy, none create, and pock and pot it? So that you can lighten up your universe so that you don't have to keep pretending. And what am I pretending not to know that if I would acknowledge it would change everything? So who is stopping you? What if you are the only one who is stopping you? And you don't even know that you're pretending sometimes. So can you stop it and stop stupefying everything? Thank you for being on this call. And yes, I was talking about Greh Chakra, which is non-access modality. And we're coming up with this on 24th of this month now, where it's more on the healing terms rather than it's not it's a group healing kind of thing. It's amazing, it's different. And what have you made so significant about access and rejecting the rest? Wow, thanks, Anjula. That's wonderful. Anjali, you want to say one or two lines on Greh Chakra?
Yeah, I cannot be on cam. I'm outside.
Which is
So
okay.
yeah, we are coming up with this Grah Chakra workshop 24th, 2 to 5:30 p.m. online, and this is about, you know, it's a very empowering workshop, and you have to experience to know what it is, what is the potency of this workshop, wherein we work on all the fears that you have about planets, and making your life easy. And when your life, we generally fear कि साढ़े सती चल रही है, ढैया चल रहा है, on that all that stuff. So what if friends, the planets, they contribute to you rather than you have to fear them. So what if you can receive their contribution, can be friends with them, and can be at peace with them
What if you
and
could
your
receive-
life?
Yeah, what if you could receive also from your enemies who are not there to support you, but they're not all there to kill you either? Enemies का खुद का एक contribution होता है. So it's about getting the awareness of that.
Also हमने तो नाम दिया ना कि ये एनिमी ही है.
हाँ.
कितनी सारी जजमेंट डाल दी है बोलते ही कि एनिमी है.
True that.
So we can receive from that also. And where can we take our life if we receive from everything and everybody?
Without a point of view.
Yes.
That is Greh Chakra in a nutshell. It does have the elements of access, but not access.
Yeah, Lizona want to say something
Yes, Lizona.
related to Greh Chakra, I think.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Lizona. Thank you so much.
Also,
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, so
share
as someone who has
of this
participated in this class and also attended few other workshops with them, I really want to say that I had this extremely strong points of view about planets and how they ruined my life or this and that and whatsoever. And now I look at them in a totally different view. And I'm so grateful that the workarounds are so simple and it does not involve, because if you go to a typical astrologer, they're like, ये homework करो, 10 मंदिर में जाओ, ये पूजा करो, वो पूजा करो, and I'm like, oh my God, this can also be done with ease, joy and glory. So thank you so much for that. So if anybody has this strong, love, hate, whatsoever with your planets, do give this a try because it's absolutely contributive. Thank you.
Thank you, Lizona. That was wonderful. So, Angela, message डालो. एक second. डालो लिखना था. Yes, this is the thing. 24th April, 2 to 5:30. And that's the, but we'll put it in the group as well for you to know. And if you have any further questions, but for now, stop pretending and claim your potency. And whoever suggested this topics, thank you so much.
A question.
Yes, you can ask a question.
Thank you. So like you said about this Gra chakra healing, like it's a healing. Maybe I can join. Can I make? So my brother is not going to join this, but can I do it for him?
Yes, you
Like
can.
pay for
Yes,
him and
yes, you
yeah,
can. You will get your awareness in that. You will
yeah,
get, you can do for him because he's not going to do it. So what can be done? And
yeah.
yeah, we can do that.
Also, like, will this only be a healing, or maybe we can do it for other people?
No, we've not reached that stage that you can do it for others. But yeah,
Hmm.
you can get the healing part of it done and have a lot of awareness.
Okay, that works. So,
You can be a
and this,
surrogate. Yeah, you can be a surrogate for your brother. That is how we're going to be working on this. If you know
okay,
what the issue is, of course, you know the issue, so we can do the surrogate work for him.
got it. Okay, thank you.
Super. Thank you for your questions and thank you. Lovely meeting you guys, even though
Lastly,
they're not visible. Yes, Priyanka.
what will be the fee of this Graha Chakra workshop?
7700 EE.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you. And this anybody who's
Thanks,
missed.
Kavita.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
powerful, very
you.
powerful session. Thank
And
you.
now we're just waiting for more what do you say topics. So please keep voting. बहुत अच्छा लगता है इतनी votes देख के जिसको अब कौन सा topic हम पकड़ेंगे because एक last topic है occult के ऊपर है. I think somebody just posted that something on occult sciences or whatever. So let's see. Let's play with some new topics now. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. See you soon, Sandy.